It's my birthday!
Thank you for the
Hello, BFF. I would like to say happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, God bless you and more birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. O yan. Wish ko lang is good health and always pray na pati ako, ipapray ko na sana lagi kang malusog. So, yun lang yung importante. Mag-ingat ka dyan. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito kami, TBL Family, Team Boss Legitan. Nandito kami kung ano may yung problema mo, pag-usapan natin. Okay? Huwag nang magtampo, tamurot ka naman. God bless you, PFF. We love you, Team Boss Legitan.
Hi, hello. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday, Daddy. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Stay humble lagi. Sana magtagal pa tayo sa iyo. God bless.
Yo, so binabati ko nga pa na happy birthday si Boss Dark. Boss Dark, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Boss Dark. Happy birthday, Boss Dark.
Boss Dart, hotdog aka Tinder Juicy with cheese. Pero babatiin muna kita ng magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Happy birthday, Boss Dart. God bless. More birthday to come. And stay strong. Good health. Stay pogi, Boss Dart. Sana pagpalain ka pa ng may kapal, Boss Dart. Sa mga siyempre sa asawa mo, stay strong sa inyo. Sana kayo na habang buhay, Boss Dart. And basta, God bless. Shout out nga pala sa Honor Boss Madam Jobs. Love you. Hotdog. Boss Dart, God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. More birthday to come. God bless. Yun lang.
Maligayang karawan sa'yo, Daddy Dark. Enjoy your day. Yun lang. Tapos, minom ka ng maraming tubig. Hindi po alak. Para lagi tayong good health po. And once again, happy birthday. Ingat po. I love you po, Daddy. I love you. Mwah.
Ayan, new day, new life. By the way, good morning everyone. Lalong-lalo dyan sa Daddy Dark ko, no? Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, I wish you all the best. Good health, good heart also, syempre. Sana mag-success na yung love life mo ngayon. Ayun. Stay strong sa inyo ni Mami Rose Ann. Sana humaba pa ng matagal ang pagmamahalan nyo. Oo. Pag ayaw nyo na, tama na. Oo, no? Ayan.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. Ayan. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo. Take care always and then good health. Lagi kang mag-iingat saan ka man ngayon. Ayan. We always here for you and your family in Team Boss Legitan. Ayan. We love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Boss Dark. Ingat ka palagi. And God bless. Flowers for you.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, more blessing and good health to you. Love you. Hope I can see you soon. Ingat.
Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye! Mwah.
Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best.
And syempre, huwag mo kalimutan magdasal kay Lord. And ingat ka palagi and God bless.